everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I will be reviewing two of the Ordinarys products, their glycolic acid 7% toning solution and the L-ascorbic acid powder. And I feel like the way the Ordinary names their products confuses a lot of people. They don't use the old-fashioned sales tricks of telling you this cream will make you look younger or wrinkle-free or whatever. And yeah, I have a few notes here for you guys so I can give you all the best information about this. So if you've been wondering how to use them, what they do, I'm gonna tell you all about it, so keep watching. They just give you all the active ingredients those creams normally contain. So what that means is you can just customize them to your face and choose which problems you want solved. And for an example, if you need more moisture, then you can buy their hyaluronic acid and their moisturizer, and that will solve your problem. And if you want something anti-aging that fights wrinkles, you could buy the retinoid. And if you want to brighten your skin, then you can choose the L-ascorbic powder. Or for an example, if you want to get rid of texture or scars, something like that, you can either get the glycolic acid toner, or you could use their AHA and BHA peeling solution once a week, for an example. So in that way, it allows you to know what active products you're using, and you can be more mindful of what exact is this problem I want solved for my skin today. Do I want to get rid of dryness? Do you want to get rid of texture? And then you can really be sure you're targeting what you want to do, and it's not some confusing sales pitch, buy this cream and you have no idea what's in it. It's like gives you back this power of how to take care of your skin, and I think it's a good thing many people are educating themselves on this and learning a lot in the process. So the toner should be used at night, the glycolic acid toner, and definitely not more than once a day. And of course you have to clean your face first, saturate a cotton pad with it, sweep it across your face and neck, and you don't need to rinse it off. It might sting ever so slightly, but of course if it burns you, you might be sensitive, allergic, and it might not be for you. But a little stinging sensation, that's completely normal. It's a strong ingredient. And when I use it, I feel like I can see my pores visibly looking smaller, and of course they don't get bigger or smaller, but I feel like I like the way it looks. It looks smooth and fresh and shiny. And yeah, with the L-ascorbic powder, acid powder, that one's amazing too. Don't let the name or consistency scare you off. Using it is slightly more of a hassle than using creams or serums, for an example, because you have to mix it yourself. But that is also what makes it so good. Vitamin C is amazing for the skin. It's good for anti-aging, necessary for collagen production, and brightens and lightens the complexion. And it can, for an example, help lighten acne or scars, or acne scarring and age spots. But it is a highly unstable ingredient and easily gets ruined as it degrades when it's exposed to light or air. And when you mix it yourself, most likely you're able to get it onto your skin and reap the benefits before it gets ruined by the elements. And yeah, so how you use this is you just mix a little scoop, and the scoop is in the package of the powder, and you can use water, you can use a face cream, serum, oil, or even just your cleanser if you just want to start out slowly and but of course you get the best benefits by something that you leave on the skin. And I actually kind of prefer water because I feel like I just feel like I can feel it tinkling ever so slightly, and I can feel it working, and it's so easy, and it's so, yeah. But finally, just remember, and this is super important, if you use any of these strong active ingredients, use a sunscreen, because they will make you more sensitive to the sun, and they will make it more likely that you can get sun damage if you're not careful, even though the vitamin C actually helps and boosts the protective effects of the sunscreen. When you combine them, these are very active. And remember, I would not recommend mixing way too many active ingredients together, because those are really strong. And maybe if you're using a vitamin C, don't use a retinol in the same routine or at the same time. Maybe at least use one in the morning and one in the evening. And yeah. really recommend them, but just be mindful of how you use them. So the glycolic acid comes in a little bottle like this. And what you do is you just take a little cotton pad and put a few drops on there. And swipe it across your face and your neck. And yeah, I'm wearing makeup, so I'm just showing you how you would do it. And yeah, so simple. With the allosorbic acid, it's a little more tricky, but still super simple if you just try it a couple of times. For the sake of this video, I have the Ordinarys bee oil, it's called. And I just take a couple of drops in the palm of my hand. Normally I just use water, but you can use a face cream, you can use one of their oils. This one is good. And it's in this little, and it has a dropper and everything. They provide it in the packaging. So just take a little in the tiny spoon and mix it together. I just use my finger. Make a little paste, and it even mixes so well. I wouldn't even call it a paste. You can't really see. It just looks liquid. And yeah, then I just apply it to my face. And yeah, like I said, I'm wearing makeup. But you'll just apply it as you would any cream or serum or oil. So it may look a little scary at first, but it's so simple, so easy. So I hope I helped you. I hope I've helped you guys getting started with this, and you know a little bit more than you did before you clicked on this video. So yeah, see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So if you like this, remember to subscribe, like it, and comment down below and ask me if you have any questions. Let me know. Yeah, see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.